What's up, my people? It's yet another episode. Welcome to Pikanadee, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy. So today we are going to do a very special recipe. It's called the guacamole. So just keep it locked and just see the way we are doing things here. Tomato, onion, lime, cilantro, that is, you can call it dania, and apple for the garnish. I'm going to use it on the garnish part, and black pepper for seasoning, and that's it. It's just very simple ingredients and very easy to make. Hey, this one slaps. Just keep it locked. So our onions are ready, our tomato is ready, so we're going to clean as we go. Cleaning the working area, it's very important. So let's jump into it. So that's our avocado, and mix all our ingredients for the day and let the magic happen. I hope you guys have subscribed to my channel, and I thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you for your support, and keep on supporting me. So we are almost done, so you can enjoy your meal with some crisps on the side, or you can opt to enjoy it with some leftover bread. So don't waste the remainder of the guacamole. So just make a sandwich and just let the tank work. With all that said and done, I just want to celebrate everyone for having me, and make sure you subscribe, like and share, and there's some more and more content coming. I'll be uploading every week a video. Thank you so much for having me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.